Isang magandang hapon po ng March 15, 2024 Friday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng March 15, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Friday, March 15, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for March 15, 2024, Friday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 49.5 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 15 million pesos for Friday, March 15, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for March 15, 2024, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.